So whenever I make soft chicken, especially the legs like this, I always find it a bit difficult to get my kids to eat or to enjoy the chicken. Let me just use the word enjoy the chicken because they might eat it, but definitely they don't enjoy it. But for me to get them to enjoy the chicken, this is one of the way that I'll always make this in order for them to enjoy it. And for me as well, I don't enjoy soft chicken like that. I don't enjoy soft chicken at all. If it's not hard chicken, I find it difficult to enjoy it. Yes. So this is one of the way that I always make this in order for me to enjoy my soft chicken. And here I've just gone ahead to wash my chicken. Yeah, I have no problem with you if you don't like washing your chicken, but for me, I like to wash my chickens. I know a lot of people say they don't like to wash their chicken before cooking, but I have no problem. Do whatever works for you. For me, it works for me well whenever I wash my chicken. So I can't stand eating chicken that I know that I haven't washed. So once I've gone ahead to wash my chicken, I season with my season of choice. Just make use of your season of choice. Make the most important thing, and another tip for this is for you to make sure you season your chicken very well. If your chicken is properly seasoned and your sauce for you to this the pepper sauce is well seasoned, that is when you enjoy the chicken. I season the chicken, cover it to produce its own water for about 5 to 10 minutes. I take it out, transfer it into my oven. As you can see, what I did right before here. And you can as well fry your chicken if you prefer to fry your chicken. But for me, I always prefer to use grill my chicken using my oven or air fryer because it is more healthier. So yeah, once the chickens are well dry, I'll go ahead to transfer them into the sauce and mix them together to make sure they are well combined. And yeah, that is it. And thank you once again for watching. If you have watched at this very moment, thank you and I appreciate your coming. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Leave in the comment section, do you prefer hard chicken to soft chicken, or do you like both? Just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Please do well to like the video, share to your friend, family, and
Know
friends.
just what
And
you do,
thank you once
you
again.
do to
Bye.
me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe.